This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning to everybody. Welcome to my online class of SAP MM. This is a morning 7 o'clock batch. We are starting at 7:15 today. And today, this is the continuation topic in the purchasing module RFQ. Yesterday we started RFQ. We had a little bit talk on that one, and MM consultant role also we have discussed. But 2 minutes recall before going to start today's topic. That is a continuation, and we'll try to end up this topic today. Come on, let us start creating the RFQ. What is an RFQ? RFQ is a first document created by the purchase department. RFQ is a first. My system is too slow today. Yeah, RFQ is a first document which is going to be created by the purchase department. But what about the earlier document? This is not going to be created by the purchase department. These are all created by the other department who wants the material. So PRs are going to be created by the other department. PRs are going to arrive to the purchase department, and based on these PRs, we are going to what is this nonsense? Based on this one, and we are going to do the certain thing that is called action from the purchase department by creating one invitation, and we'll send it to the various vendors. So RFQ, we are requesting for submitting a quotation to the various vendors. One invitation we are sending. So RFQ is the first document. RFQ is a document which is going to be print out, which is an outgoing document which will be printed, which will be sent to the outsider. They're printed on the company's letterhead, and it is only a simple invitation wherein we are requesting them, in case if you are interested or requirement to supply, please quote your price. Any other terms and conditions are there. It is not a legal document also. So how the purchase department creates the RFQ based on the purchase requisition. Purchase requisition is a document created by the other people, and they are going to send to the purchase department and want of this material. So the total requirement, again we are going to retype it. We are going to retype that one in the another document, and we are going to paste the vendor addresses. Then system, once it has been pasted this one, it will create one RFQ too. And if I enter the vendor address, it will create this one. Just like one message, if I'm going to type your telephone number, this will go to you. Another telephone number, another it will go. Same message will go to the various, like that, one vendor by one vendor by one vendor. Once we are entering this message affixed with the vendor, it will create as a RFQ, and it will go to the concerned vendor. So our requirement, we are sending to the each vendor, and we are requesting them, if you are interested to supply this material on or before so and so date to this factory, and please quote your price and other terms and conditions, like that we are inviting them, everybody. So how to create this one? Being a MM consultant, and these are all end user job, they are going to do it. Then another PR, another method, same another way we are going to do it. So in this one, MM consultant job is once these RFQs are creating number range, document to document type, that method we are going to use it here also. So let us go and create RFQs backside also. We have done in the yesterday's class. So in the yesterday's class, we had been here, we created the number ranges, and we linked that one to our whatever the topic when is on RFQs, we linked that one. So this is the thing which we have done up to this point. Now it is the time to create the RFQs. Unfortunately, ME41 is there, 41N is not there. ME41 is there, 41M is not there. Understand, sir? Right. Now, here, one second. Okay. So the T codes are only ME41. 1 second, sir. I'm just getting one call. Right. Let us start. So now end user job is creating the by using this T code. No NJ T codes for this one. Let us go and try to. So first of all, what are the PRs we are giving, we are receiving? That first we have to get it. That means what are the PRs? See, for example, PRs are coming from the plant. How to list out these PRs? First, let us do that one. Let us do that one. So how to create RFQ steps? First, list the PRs. You know how to create list the PRs. The T code is ME5A. In the last class also we have done. Enter at least document type. NB, no. Ours is NINB or NNB or something we created. Nissan document type. Nissan P, I think Nissan PR or something we created. We'll check it. First of all, ask the SAP. First jump into the SAP. Because why we are listing out the PR? Based on that PR only, the data we are going to enter into invitation, and that will be posted by fixing the vendor. To look and type again in this invitation, first we should know what are the PRs are there, and one we will pick up one PR. So for this purpose, let us go and jump into the system first. Log into the SAP. Login as a Srini. Proceed inside. already backend settings which we have done yesterday. So I am working in the purchase department. Purchase department people are the people who are going to create the RFQ. I'm a typist. My boss asked Srinivas, how many PRs has come? List out first. ME5A typing T code. Then system says, as we said earlier, never ever execute an empty screen by clicking execute button if the screen is empty. So at least document type you requested to enter. Assume that I don't know what is the document type I created. Just go and ask the SAP drop down symbol. System will show so many document types. System will show so many document types. Right. In this one, find ours is Nissan. Then automatically Nissan RFQ, N RFQ we created. So here we'll say N RFQ. SAP with this document type, whatever the PRs are there, create. Then system list out all the PRs of NRFQ doc type. So first note down one PR number. Okay. So click execute. System will show NRFQ. Did we not create PRs, sir? Topic PR is over now. Or did we not create with this document type? Surprise. ME we were talking about last classes regarding the hold other thing also, no? The PR topic is over, no? No. Something wrong. ME5A. Document type is. What is our project, sir? Did I forget anything? Project name? Nissan only, no?
Nissan, yes.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Sir, I think Nissan PR document type.
Yeah, ये सही है, but partially ordered, release, over release, acquisition item wise, everything it is there. वही बोल रहा हूँ सब डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप or did we create any NAN or something? NRFQ. NAN. Anybody? That's all. We'll do one thing. Let us enter material number. I think we added tire now. I want to find out what is the document type. Surprise. NIP1, Nissan Plant 1. See, we ordered some material tire. Come on, show me PRs with. What is this NIPR? We
So
created
NIPR
to.
document.
Oh man. Oh, sorry, I did not filter properly. Sorry. My apology. PR we are looking now, not RFQ. Very sorry. See, topic is RFQ, but not RFQs. We are looking for PRs. So this is not RFQ. My apologies, sir. So system do not do mistakes. People will do the mistake. Nissan. First it is showing RFQ. It's okay. Click find Nissan standard PR. This is ours. NIPR. Remove this, sir. Nothing to worry. And ALV grid mode. ALV grid mode. ALV grid mode will give a nice look and feel of the report. So enter NIPR is the document type. Scope list is equal to ALV. Now system beautifully shows some list of PRs earlier we created with NIPR document type. I'm noting down some PR numbers. Let us see. Execute. Now system displays, Srinivas, these are the purchase requisitions you created earlier by the plant people. Those are all arrived to the purchase department. So these are the purchase requisition. Some purchase requisitions from plant, we got it, list. Then what to do? My boss said, please note down one PR. First one, I'm going to note down. The PR number is 109 40800. Just I'm noting down 109 40800. This is one PR. Now what is RFQ? RFQ mean PR will come. That PR we are going to copy into RFQ by retyping. Okay. So this is the requirement. If you look at the RFQ, sorry, PR, tire 123 on or before so and so date, Nissan. This is our requirement. Okay, right. Same thing. So tire 123, this one. Then what we purchase department will do? It will create RFQ by using the T code. So now start creating. Step 2. How to create RFQs. Okay. First one, manually. What is meant by manually? The present procedure, whatever I'm teaching, that is called manual procedure. T code for RFQ creation is ME41. There is no enjoy T code. So So I will open this session. ME41. I'm a typist in the purchase department. My boss called me, Srinivasu, show me the purchase requisitions first. I typed, I said, sir, we received from plant one, we received these many purchase requisitions. My boss said, Srinivas, choose the first PR and type this information into the RFQ. We have chosen the PR and we are going to type this one into the RFQ. One by one, what they want, how much they want, where they want. First, this is RFQ first part. To do that one, ME41, press enter. System will say, okay, what is the document type? So in initial screen, okay, enter document type, ME, sorry, here RFQ, Nissan RFQ, NRFQ, here we are, because we set number range and everything with this one on. AN is standard one. No. Earlier yesterday, we created Nissan as RFQ. Select that RFQ. And what is this date? Today's date. System automatically said, today you are creating this one. Then what is this quotation deadline date? Very, very important, which we never discussed yesterday. Yes. This is the invitation. We are preparing. This is the invitation. We are preparing now. And assume that we send this invitation JKMRF CET. CET fellow, after receiving this one, he did not reply anything. Exactly after 1 year, I'm telling, after 1 year, he responded to our purchase department by sending one letter. Srinivas, last year you asked me one material you want for 123 items. I am ready to supply. This is my price. Like that, if he is going to respond lately, it is very difficult at that time to select that guy, because by that time already our requirement might be fulfilled by some other guys. So when we are inviting this invitation to everybody and we are asking if you are interested to supply this material, please send your quotations up to what date? So quotation, submission, deadline, date we have to mention. Otherwise they are gone sending. Understand, sir? Now, just now we have seen, sir, I did not see that postally it is missing. It came, but it is kept in my table. I did not see that one. Like that, 3 months later, 1 month later, if they are going to respond, last minute also, if they are going to respond, it is very difficult. So that is the reason they are going to keep in the beginning itself the quotation, submission, deadline date. We are going to enter it here. Okay, let us enter the quotation, submission, deadline date. See, 15th. Today is 15th. We cannot ask today itself to supply. But nowadays, very communication methods are very high. In general, in real time, 2 weeks are going to be there. 2 weeks they are expecting. Olden days, 2 weeks is enough. Government people are also asked the quotations for 2 weeks. Couple of weeks they are going to mention. But nowadays, 2 days is enough. Let us say up to Monday. Let us say 4 days. We are expecting from all these guys our requirement for submission of their offers on or before Monday. Then what is this RFQ? It is RFQ. Is it RFQ number? Press F1 in case if you are getting any doubt, you can able to. Then system context oriented says, Srinivas, this is RFQ number. If you leave this field blank, automatically I will take care of that one. That only we want, because number range creation and everything we have done. Let system do automatically. So almost all everything. Rest of the thing we entered all in this one. So language, RFQ date on which we are creating, okay, and quotation submission deadline date. We have given 2 days or something. Then RFQ number. Then RFQ number is only simple empty. Okay, this is going. Then this is the first part of the page. You know, document is having a concept. First initial screen, whatever we are typing, that will pass to the header data. Then item overview screen. Whatever you are typing line item, if you enter one line item, one page will be added. This is the document concept. Now we entered some data here. We fill this data. Once I press enter go, it will go to the next header data. Come on, let us ask the SAP, go to the next page. Press enter. It says, Srinivas, who is doing all? Who is doing? Purchase department is doing. So who is initiating this document? Purchase department. So system asks, Nizam Purchase Organization is the department which is creating this one. Under this purchase department, Nizam Purchase Group or something, NPG or something is there. For example, system is not giving any answer. Click find button. Ask SAP, list out the purchase groups. Then in this one, what we have done for Nizam Purchase Group, NGN, Nizam Group for the purchase group for the Nizam, PGN. This guy or the group is taking care of that one. So in the first page, not only the details of the document, we are going to talk about the overall information, who is doing all. These are all the things we are going to enter in the initial screen of this one. Then we will ask the SAP, proceed to the next page, press enter. Once you press enter, what happens? System will take to the next page called header data. Here in the header data, whatever you entered earlier in the first page, 90% of the first page information is pulling here. Whatever you entered in the first page, document type, purchase group, everything, it has been coming to the, it is passing the initial screen data to the header data. But it is stopping me and it says, please enter this one. What is that field? It is the field. System saying that it is a compulsory field. What is this meaning? Collective number. Even if I try to explain what is the collective number, probably you may not understand the meaning. So collective number, in the next topic, you are going to understand the importance of collective number. Okay, Srinivas, what I have to enter? It is also called tracking number. It will be useful to filter out required quotations while you are comparing and finalizing the quotation during the negotiation time. So collective number is also called tracking number. So enter some number we have to enter. So what is that figure we have to enter? SAP says any number or anything easy to recognize purpose you can enter. So here I'm going to say some text called my first invitation. It is my first invitation. Like that, we will ask that guy, please send with a marking called first invitation. But the same type of name you are also going to enter when you are practicing this one. So how to differentiate your collective number and my collective number? I am using Nizam project. So N invitation 1. That means Nizam invitation 1, I am asking the SAP to create. So this is my requirement we are creating now with Nizam. This will help how it is going to be explained in the next topic. So compulsory field, it is not necessary that you have to enter these words only, Nizam invitation. You can say ABCD or you can say any other thing. So in the second page, in header data screen, you are going to enter the collective number is equal to NINV1. Nissan invitation 1, like that we want to create it, or you can say any 4-digit letter you can. Now once you press enter, it will go to the item overview screen. It will go to the item overview screen. What is this meaning of item overview screen? Click this button and press enter. Then item overview screen means what item you required, how much you required, where you required, when you required. Just like a PR, it is also going to specify. I said the documents are all going to have same structure. Every document is going to have same format. So here, if you look at this picture, we are just typing here what you want, how much you want. By looking the PR, we are retyping that one. Where is our PR? Our PR is here. So this PR information, tire, quantity, and other thing, as it is, we are going to type in this RFQ item or screen. Here also we are going to type. Let us enter this one. What we want to, we are preparing an invitation by the purchase department people preparing the invitation, and body we are preparing. So what we want here in the PR, it says it is an item called tire. So I am searching for a tire number. So system pulling the details. Come on here. What happened? Dead. Wait for another minute. Come on here. So it is troubling us. Let us say we will log in one more time. It is too much trouble. I don't know why SAP is giving trouble today. Come on, one more time log in. It will automatically disconnect that one. Right. It's okay. We are logging in freshly. Now again, I will ask SAP. Come on, SAP. ME41. Start creating RFQ. SAP says what document type it is. I'll say, I don't know what is the document type for RFQ. Say Nissan. Then system says Nissan RFQ. Already it is linked to the assignment of number, deadline date. Maybe next today, 19th. It's okay. Now, here, what is the purchase department? Nissan purchase organization. See, Nissan purchase group, Nissan PGN. Purchase group, Nissan. These people are creating. Then enter. System says in the second screen, collective number. Nissan invitation. Now it will go to the second screen. So what we are doing, if you look at this photo, first we are preparing this invitation. This is my first invitation we are preparing. Now we are going to retype all this. By looking into the PR, we are going to type it here. By looking into the PR, we are going to type it here. So where is PRs? Let us go to the PRs list. So open another session. Ask the SAP to show the PRs list ME 5A list of PRs. Then system says which PRs you are looking for. under ALV grid mode, look and format is this one, and the documents which are created NIPR document type, Nissan purchase requisitions, then press enter, click execute, system filter out. These are the purchase requisition. First one already I noted down. So I noted down, this is the PR details. I am opening that PR in this one. So here I'm typing tire 123 quantity. Same thing I am entering here. Tire. So RFQ, what item you required? Looking the PR. So this is the RFQ. Again material. What is this one? Wait for some time. Come on. Material is ours is Nissan plant 1. In this one, tire is our product. Why it is tire? Because it is the tire and 123 quantity. I am retyping again here 123 quantity. Then again I am looking into the PR. Date is in another format it is giving 2021 August 16th. Okay, same date we are going to enter it here. August 16th. And where you want. Here it says Nissan plant 1. This is Nissan plant 1. So enter the same. So we are looking into the PR. We are retyping that one. NIP1. Press enter. Again, system is going to pull the data from the master record. Did I type tire? Did I type each? Did I type metal group? No. Relevant information. This is the way we are retyping the information from purchase requisition details, item over screen, these details, we are retyping and entering this one. This is called preparation of a base letter or invitation letter. Our requirement we prepared. Then it has to be sent to the vendor. You cannot save this document without any entry of vendor. It will not create the document. It is only base. That base means invitation letter. You know, wedding card, invitation letter, how it looked like empty. Empty means without address it will be there. If I'm going to put in envelope and on the envelope, this is the invitation inside. On the envelope, we are going to enter the vendor name. Then this is called same thing here. So go to the SAP. Now this is the RFQ we prepared. Then it has to be addressed to the vendor. So how? Try to click save. What it says? Hey Srinivas, just you prepared the invitation. First enter the address. Now this is first requirement. My boss said, Srinivas, you do one thing. Address button is there on the application tool. Below the create RFQ line, this is called application toolbar. Vendor address is there. Don't click here. Don't click here. Vendor. It is a deactivated button. So click here. Add address of the vendor. Then system says which vendor you want. My boss said first requirement JK MRF C8 we want. JK MRF C8 are the guys. My boss said send this one to the JK MRF C8. Are you watching my screen, sir? Is my screen is active? Is my screen is synchronizing? Whatever I am moving.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? Right. So no more streaming problem or something. Now let us do how to send, how to paste the vendor name. Right. This is RFQ. Now once I click vendor name, it says vendor details. It says Srinivas, fill this page. I need not type. I will try to enter the vendor number. So one vendor screen will come. Here I'm going to ask the SAP, show me the vendors which are created under Nissan Motor Company. What is that we created? NMOT or something? Search term is Nissan. Automatically NMOT only company code. So under Nissan Motor, we created 3 vendors. So my boss said send it to everybody. I cannot send at a time, one vendor by one, because it is like this, sir. Invitation prepared. If I paste one vendor, that will send as a separate document. First paste the vendor JK. Press enter, JK number pulled. Then the system is going to pull the master record of vendor, it pulling the vendor master card details also. Now this address will be pasted to that our requirement. So system will create with this address, with that requirement, one RFQ. Now save it. System saves, but saving time, it is going to say Srinivasa, this is a document which is going to the outside. Actually, once this document, it is going to the outside, it has to take a printout. Unfortunately, at present, your laptop or your server not connected to the printer. That's why, would you like to save it? Like that, this message is saying that like that. No messages record could be found for outputting of the message. To send this entire information into the printer, there is no printer, or your system is not connected to the printer, or your system is not configured with the printer. That's why do you want me to save it? Actually, it is an outgoing document. Every outgoing document, it has to go to the printer, fax or something. That is the reason it is looking for a printer active devices, but it won't found anything because my server is connected. I don't know where is my server. Remotely we are doing, and my laptop also not connected to the printer. That's why it is crying by saying this one. I said, okay, save it. In real time, it not only saves, it will print with that vendor one RFQ. Press enter, system automatically pasting the vendor address JK, and the requirement will be keep it inside, and it will create one RFQ. See in the bottom, according to the yesterday's number ranges, we got RFQs. I mean, one RFQ is being created. So that means in this picture, we asked the SAP by typing this invitation we prepared, and we are asked the SAP by pasting this vendor name on that one. So system created my requirement with address vendor JK. It is one RFQ created and it has been sent. Okay, sir, are saved in the SAP. Now, will that be sufficient? No, enter again MRF guide, because the same message, it has to go to the MRF vendor also. My boss said send it to the 2 to 3 vendors. So this is the address. Again, same invitation already typed and ready. Now I'm going to change the address by entering. Now SAP send the same message to the another vendor. Again, Nissan Motors is the our company code while I am creating, and the second one is MRF. Is this guy as MRF? Press enter. System is going to, hey, what happened? Yeah, MRF. Now click save button. Now system says same story. It is affixing the vendor. It creates the RFQ. Understand, sir? Right. One more says, my boss said, please send it to the another vendor also. One by one only you have to send it, sir. Ours is Nissan Motor Company. Under Nissan Motors, there is another vendor called this one. By mistake, if I'm going to enter to the same MRF, what happens, sir? Let us try. It will say Srinivas already sent to this one. So even though you are trying to do the mistakes, system does not allow you. That means already you sent an invitation. Why again you want to send? System does not. So nothing to worry. It will take care of you. In case if you try to do it also, it will cry. So SAP show me Nissan Motor. Under this Nissan Motor, what are the vendors? Next vendor is C8. C8, enter C8 and paste this C8 address to this invitation and create RFQ and send it to that vendor. So system says, sorry, there is no, for sending purpose, no printer are connected to the printer, or printer is not configured, just to go ahead. So it saves. This is the way one RFQ, one requirement PR we typed and we pushed to the 3 vendors. Here, are you not observing any problem? One problem you are observing. Here, already in the factory, one typist sit and created this PR. What you want, how much you want, when you want, where you want, he typed. Now SAP says, why one more typist has to sit here? Why again same thing, what you want, how much you want, when you want, where you want, why again he has to type? And moreover, when we are typing, it is a waste of time. Same, already one fellow has typed another thing. Second one, tire 123, but this typist by mistake, if we say 1234, that means 1234. Then this requirement will go with 1234. Then this is people are going to think that JK MRF CA2, oh, company wants 1234. According to that quantity, they are going to give the price. You know, we are sending our requirement. If the requirement is huge, the price is going to change. So knowingly or unknowingly, my typist is going to wrongly type. There is a possibility of wrongly typing. He will say sorry later, but already damage done. So the one of the disadvantages of manual creation is looking into the PR which is already created earlier by one typist in the production. Coming to the purchase department again, why typist of our purchase department also to type again? So data again and again and again entering into the different document, that is called data redundancy. Repetition of the same data entering into the other document called data redundancy. So you need not spend hours together to type again this one. Today it is only one requirement and one tire requirement only. This is only 5 minutes job. Typist can retype that one. But sometimes purchase requisition will come, 1,000 entry requirement will be there, monthly requirement, weekly requirement. Production people, they are going to send one big requirement. Already one typist sit in the purchase department, in the production, they typed 1,000 materials, quantities, delivery dates, and other thing. This PR has come as a single PR, it has come to the purchase. Now the purchase department job is how to send this one. Again, one typist has to sit here and again he type all these 1,000 materials requirement without wrong typing. You have to do it because based on this requirement only people are going to code it. The problem here is already one fellow spent 1 or 2 hours to type this one. Why again purchase department guy has to spend that much time to retype that one to send this invitation to various vendors? So data redundancy, repetition of entering the same data into the document type is called data redundancy. It can be avoided. Typing mistakes can be avoided. This one in the another method. Tomorrow I'm going to explain you the another method, how to do it and other thing in the coming next class. It is going to be. Then what is the advantage of other method? Why SAP prefers? And there is another one more advantage is there that guy. In addition to these two, one more advantage is there that we are going to discuss in the tomorrow's class. And you know, when we are creating the vendor master cards also, only 3 people we created JK, MRF, CAT. No, more the people I want to send it so that you are going to have a more opportunity to discuss and negotiate with the people if they are going to give any different prices. Anyway, for that purpose, in the next class, first, please remind me, I'm going to create all your names as vendors. I need more vendors so that I'm going to have my more requirement and we can send it to various people and negotiation and everything is possible. So let us go, and tomorrow or in the next class we are going to ask create the first, we are going to give your name and we will create your with your names vendors. Then we will start continuation of RFQ with respect to PR What is the advantage of that one? And what is the disadvantage? We are going to discuss the third disadvantage also in the tomorrow's class. Okay, sir. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your time. Enjoy the rest of the day, and we'll meet in the next class. Any questions or anything, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll meet in the next class. We'll continue this topic. Okay, sir?
So next class will be on Monday, right?
Generally Monday, sir. Generally, I have small work in this one. So probably on Monday only we are going to have the class. Okay, last
Okay.
Sunday also, last Saturday also we have taken.
Mm-hmm.
Necessary, we are going to take it. Don't worry. Okay, I will inform to you.
Okay. Thank you.
Nikhil, anything, sir? Are you saying anything, Nikhil? Because your mic is on, but your voice is not heard. You are typing, you are saying. Nikhil? Okay, then. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, we'll say for bye-bye for today. We'll meet on Monday. Thank you to everybody. Signing off.